major brands are reinventing public engagement through immersive activations. Brands are moving away from traditional advertising and embracing immersive activations to truly engage today's distracted audiences. These experiences, like Samsung's interactive tech zones or Nike's experimental retail setups, are designed to create emotional connections through hands-on environments that people want to explore and share. Instead of passive messaging, brands are building memorable, selfie-worthy moments that invite users to become part of the story. What sets these activations apart is their mix of creativity and strategy. Every element, from lighting to layout, is optimized for real-world impact and social media virality. Behind the scenes, brands gather valuable data on user behavior to refine future experiences. As technology advances, expect even more personalized, tech-driven activations that blur the lines between physical and digital, making engagement not just interactive, but unforgettable.